we've got Meows and Mischief. Meows and Mischief for 2,600 V-Bucks. Let's check out what you can get. We've got Bad Kit. He's one bad mecha kitty, part of the Mad Mecha set. Introduced in Chapter 6, Season 2. So this is new. Oh, look at the kitty inside. Oh, isn't he cute? He's adorable. Don't they have... Wait, there's something like that, right? That we saw before in one of those seasons, the last season. And there's also the ghost style. And it was kind of like that. It was like a kitty or something. Yeah, wasn't it a kitty in the back controlling the bot? It was a kit. Wasn't a kit? I think I'm remembering. It was something similar anyways. And he was hireable. That's right. We've got the Lego version right here in just one style, not the blue one. Then we've got Kate Meowdy. There's nothing you can't fix with 2 paws and a dream. Part of the perfect DIY set. Perfect DIY? 2 paws and a dream? We've got the Lego version right here. Oh, I wasn't expecting that in the back. Also the claw saw pickaxe. If that was a scroll saw, it might be me. Next, Handy Cat's Tools pickaxe. Bad Wheel, back bling, Bad Wheel. Kate's Handy Sack, back bling. And Starry-Eyed Kate wrap for 2,600 V-Bucks. Or you can get them separately right here. Then we've got new Mantra Victory Vibes. Let's have a look at it. Mantra. Ooh. Lots of butt wiggling going on.